you a quick room tour. This is room 9014 on Silver Sea Ray. And so first, when you come in, here's the bathroom, very important. And notes on this is a really nice size for a more entry-level suite. This is not one of the higher level suites. Silver Sea is a suite-only line, and so they did correct me when I called this a cabin. It's not a cabin, apparently. I do like that they have upgraded amenities. And the shower is really nice and big. So that's fantastic. Also, there's a full-length mirror here and a full-length mirror here. So, huge walk-in closet. Like, this is massive. And plenty of room. I haven't unpacked yet. I'm too tired. I'm not going to do it yet. I will do that later tonight. Probably after dinner. Fully unpack. So, pardon me. I missed something. So, here is the vanity. And in here, there is a laundry hamper. And here are some more shelves. So the nice thing is, if you were on a longer cruise, or maybe like a world cruise, you know, one of the ones that's like 300 days, you've got European and US wall outlets, I noticed, which is fantastic, as well as USB ports right next to the bed, both sides. That is huge in Cruise World, just as an FYI. Like, you almost never get that. So there's a full-size sofa here, nice little champagne area. I did have some champagne. You get 2 nice water bottles that apparently they fill up every day, so that's wonderful. You have an espresso as well as a tea kettle. And then down here, you get a fully stocked little mini fridge. They restock it every day. And it looks like, am I wrong here, or is that ice? That's not ice, is it? No. No, but it looked like it. There is a nice bucket in here. You've got these great drawers. So you can sit here and have a desk set up, which this is where I'll probably be getting some work done. Pretty good sized TV. I'd say that's probably a 50-inch. So much bigger than is typical in a stateroom this size. And then the balcony is great sized. Anyway, so I have to go get ready because I need to do my mustard row, and my hair looks super flat from running around in the wind all day today. Need to touch up the makeup and then get dressed, go have a little food because I'm starving. I didn't eat lunch. I bought lunch at the Christmas market, but it just didn't hit. You know, when it doesn't hit, you're just like, you have 2 bites of something and you're like, no, it wasn't as good as I thought it was going to be. And so I just had no interest in eating, like no appetite. So stupid me had a little half a glass of wine and 2 bites of my sandwich, and then that was it for lunch. And now I'm like, oh, I'm starving. I've got to eat. I have a dinner at 7 p.m. and it is 4:17 right now. So yeah, I'm gonna head down to one of the lounges and find a little snacky snack, a little maybe a little tiny sandwich or something. I'm sure it's gonna be very fancy. And then I have a cocktail party and a dinner to go to tonight. And I'll keep you all posted.